Welcome to the lesson. Classes in session. Hey, my name is Jesse and welcome to SEO College. We talk about traffic sources, making money with the Money Robot tool, and how to actually drive traffic to your offers. We actually deep dive into organic marketing as well as paid advertising, but in this case we're going to be talking about the Money Robot tool. This is the back end of our Google Ads. We're actually generating revenue for our business. We're making millions of dollars right now, not only for myself but for my clients, and I want to show you exactly how you could do the same. And if you are using the Money Robot tool, or if you are on the trial period, or if you're just like trying to make money with paid and organic strategies, make sure to book a call with me. The link is in the description, also in the comments. So make sure you check the links in the comments and in the description where you can book a free strategy session. We'll go over your marketing, we'll go over your campaigns, and if you're a right fit for our program, we'll talk about more about the premium program that we have to offer and see if you can drive a mass amount of traffic over to your campaigns and your products. So with that said, let's jump into our website here. We're actually making quite a lot of progress right now, and I'm just going to show you basically what I'm actually doing. And as you can see here, this is one of the articles that I have on my automated blog, my auto blog. Okay, so basically with this auto blog right here, I'm actually generating quite a lot of traffic, and I just want to show you, the amount is basically the traffic is coming in gradually. We just started a couple days ago. So if I check my Jetpack right here, you're going to see right here that even though I started only a couple of days ago, we are making a lot of progress. And I want to show you right here where we're making, the views are coming in quite a lot right now. So it's being updated periodically. Right now you can see that we already got around 60 views per day today, and a bunch of visitors. We got a ton of pages that are ranking right now, and we just started a couple days ago. So that's just to show you the progress that we're actually getting. I'm gonna go into how to actually create a campaign. So before I create a campaign, I want to look for the posts that I created. All of these posts are automated. You'll learn a little bit more about this in our program, in our VIP program course. So that's why it's very important for you to book that free strategy session with me so we can go over your plan and how to actually, drive more traffic. So let's go right here and look at this post right here. Say goodbye to stubborn belly fat with these workouts. So I'm going to click on here, right here. I'm going to click on this particular one, and I'll actually create this right here. So I'm going to actually take this URL, and I'm going to hop into our Money Robot tool. Okay, so we actually have quite a few campaigns going on right now, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing with our Money Robot tool. Okay, so what I want to do is on the Money Robot tool, I want to click on new campaigns right here, and then I want to I want to paste the URL right here. Okay, so you want to make sure that you want to post the URL right there, and I want to actually take this keyword called workouts. Alright, or actually no, belly fat is going to be our keyword, and then I will make that our campaign name. Okay, perfect. Okay, belly fat is our campaign name. Belly fat 2 actually, because we already have one called belly fat. So I want to jump into my keyword. So there's a keyword research tool built into the tool right here. All I want to do is I want to put that keyword in there, okay, and then I want to click search, and it's going to come up with a whole bunch of keywords within seconds. So I don't have to spend hours and hours doing research trying to find the right keywords. I literally just put the seed keyword in here, and then it'll generate a whole bunch of keywords right here. And then all I need to do is all I need to do is just click this right here, and then copy to keyboard and click close. Okay, perfect. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to jump back into my campaign here, and then I'm going to go into our campaign. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna go back into my campaign and I'm gonna paste the keywords into my campaign. Perfect. And all I have to do next is I have to create unique articles. So I'm gonna create unique article right here. And I'm just gonna show you the diagram psychology right here, okay? So we have a whole bunch of diagrams right here and we're always adding more every single day. But I'm gonna go into super high competition 8 in blog network. Feel free to steal this one from me, okay guys? I'm gonna show you exactly what this one is all about. So if I go into my diagram editor here, I'm gonna show you this one right here, super high competition 8. So the difference between this one and a regular one is we're actually promoting this with Web 2.0 Tier 2A and Tier 2B and Tier 2C. So we're getting a whole bunch of tiers here, okay? So these are T2, okay? And these are pointing to social links and Web 2.0 blogs, all pointing back to our money site, okay guys? So this one is very, very powerful in terms of driving traffic because you see right here, and feel free to steal this one again if you want. More will be available to you if you are part of our premium VIP program, so make sure to book a call with us to get full access, the VIP treatment to that. So I'm gonna actually jump back into my campaign here to see if it's all done. So I'm just gonna jump back into our campaign creator here, right here. And then as you can see right here, this article spinner has created a unique article that is going to be very useful for posting to each and every one of these individual Web 2.0 T2 blogs. That means that I'm gonna be able to post a bunch of articles to each one of these that are pointing right back to my website and then driving a ton of traffic over time. What I want to do is I actually want to spread this out over the duration of 5 days, 5 days maximum, sometimes 10. It really depends on the diagram, but this diagram I'm going to use it for 5, and then I'll press create the campaign. Perfect. And that's pretty much it. That's how the campaigns are created. If I can show you right here with our T1 blog. So I'll click on one of our T1 blogs here, and I'll just show you what a T1 blog looks like. Okay, so I'll show you what the T1 blog looks like. So I'm gonna go to one of the T1 blogs here. Go to this one, copy, and then I'm gonna go to one of our blogs. So this is an example of a T1 blog that it was created from the Money Robot tool that is pointing right back to my website. If you click on one of these links right here, it goes right back to my website, as you can see. So not only is it driving traffic from these blogs back to my website, but it's also creating authority over time, which is going to help Google recognize my website, and it's going to help me rank faster for very hard keywords, in turn making me a lot of money. So with that said, I hope you got some value from this. The money tool is an excellent tool to be using. If you want to learn more how to use it and how to actually drive a huge amount of traffic, get ahead of your competition, book a call with me. We'll build a strategy. I'll show you how I'm using the VPS and also how to build a strategy around the Money Robot tool. And we'll go a little bit into Google Ads as well. And if you are eligible, you might be eligible for our premium program, which includes all of the content from my course as well as our coaching. So with that said, I hope you got some value from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. What are your comments and how do you feel about this? Let me know. Have a great rest of your day. Take care, guys.